How to turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. On your phone, open the Facebook app. At the bottom, tap on the menu option. Then, select your Facebook account. Click on your profile picture. In the pop menu, choose See Profile Picture. At the top, click on 3 dots. There you can see Facebook doesn't have a direct option to turn off likes, but with this trick, you can turn it off. Here, select Edit Privacy. Change Who Can See Your Post to Only Me. This will hide your Facebook profile picture from the feed, so no one can react to your profile picture. If you are updating a new profile picture, look for Share Your Update to Newsfeed. Then uncheck it. Then click on the Save option to update the new profile picture without posting to feed, so no one can react to it, and there you have it.